Final day Friday here at SEMA 2025. Let's see what we can see here in the West Hall, Las Vegas Convention Center.
Tell me how to do my job.
True.
One of the core features and key selling points of Shortcut software.
So anyone that starts with our customers. Oh, it's not even.
I see you're doing it, huh?
Yeah, here.
You're the.
Go for it.
Let's go blue.
Too up? No. Why do I ask? Because darker colors is harder than the white side. It shows everything. Squeegee marks, flaws. It shows everything. You guys should have switched today. You owe me a beer now. That totally helped you out. All right.
Build upon it, put the time in, put the reps in to where I've tripled 4x what I'm making from where I started.
So the procedure, installation procedure is, and they're both using the textbook installation technique. Backside to the front.
Quando está rápida e o mate.
Restructuring my business completely. So here's what I sat down and
All we know is 300 that's it. 295 came out.
I don't know. I'm talking about the gated manual car, so what the F1. So, I always was in love with that business. No, they can stop.
Your vinyl doesn't stick to this if this is already wrapped, and I go into wrap this one, and it's sticking on
Regular wear and tear from owning it over the next few years of the lease will be protected thanks to Stack's Power Cap. Now saying comfortably with the GTP RS and the auto, without the bandwidth and
Yeah, the Marines is coming out. That'll be it. Like once you lay it the way that you want, you just lay it there and you feed it with the preferred installers, don't forget, if you want to learn how to become a preferred installer, make sure you check out the backside of their booth where you guys take coast to coast. That's right, we got with incandescent lighting to actually light up the buttons, using crazy reflective films so that cell phones will only require 1 bulb instead of 15. We are the reason why cell phones now fit into your pocket. If you took a flight over here, check out the airport feed of a 3M product at all times. And sure, there's lots of competitive booths out there, but every single one of them has 3M technologies in them as well. We are everywhere. We are a household
household name, a brand that you know, and requires no introduction whatsoever.
Well, that lot. We need to apply.
Our chickpeas from
See?
Well, I was kind of trapped and I had to go back.
I was worried this is what they were going to do. 2 seconds for the bike ride.
So that's all that's allowed to happen to that track. And it's like 15 years it's weird, but never did try. It gets more around.
So do you sell